Rivers have always been a big part of human life. They provide us with water to drink, food to eat, and a way to travel. Rivers are also a place of relaxation and inspiration. Many people find peace while sitting by a river and watching the water flow by. Rivers can also be a source of inspiration for art and poetry. There is something about the power and beauty of rivers that touches the soul. For many people, having a bird is one of the most amazing things on earth. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience. And learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us. And they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time.